Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the root and the clip. This reduces slippage and ensures longevity. Clean the root area with an alcohol pad and wait until fully dry. Moisture ruins hold. Once done, align the clip so its hinge sits against the scalp, then press closed until you feel a soft snap. You'll know it's secure when the base sits flush. Make sure to use the correct clip width for the root so tension spreads evenly and won't pull hair. Once the clip is closed, you need to secure and blend it into the hair. If you want a longer-term hold, stitch through the clip's small holes with a blunt needle and sturdy thread. This prevents rotation. Then lay surrounding hair over the clip and smooth with a comb so the metal disappears under natural fall. After styling, always test by giving a gentle tug. If it moves, re-anchor or reposition immediately to avoid slippage later. Finish with a final check. Look for any pinching or visible pressure points and make quick adjustments. If the clip slips during wear, swap it for a fresh one or add a thin silicone pad under the base to increase traction. That's the fastest fix. To remove, unsnap the hinge and slide out gently. Do not yank, because pulling breaks hair and damages the clip. If you encounter persistent problems, reposition to a different root angle and repeat the secure and test sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.